In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Outlook calendar private. Optimizing privacy in your digital calendar can be crucial for maintaining confidentiality and organizing your schedule more efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, we need to access Microsoft Outlook. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Microsoft Outlook website. Once the page loads, you'll want to locate the Sign In button, typically found in the top right corner of the page, and give it a click. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials here. Go ahead and type in your email address and password associated with your Outlook account. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that verification step as well to securely access your account. Now that you are signed in, direct your attention to the left side of the page. Here you'll find various navigation options. We are particularly interested in the calendar feature. Click on Calendar to open up your personal schedule. At this point, you should see a comprehensive view of your calendar, complete with all your scheduled events and meetings. The next step is to identify the specific event you want to make private. Scan through your calendar until you find the event in question and select it. This will bring up the event details on your screen. Once you have the event details open, your goal is to locate the option that allows you to control the privacy settings of this event. On the event details page, look for the private option. It's usually accompanied by a lock icon or some indication that clicking it will enhance privacy. Go ahead and click on private. Once you've clicked it, your chosen event is now marked as private. This means that the details of this event will be hidden from other users who might have access to your calendar. It's important to remember that while this setting increases privacy, the visibility of the event might still be present in shared calendars, though its details will be concealed. Always verify that the correct events are marked private to ensure your information remains secure. And that's it, a simple process to ensure that certain events are kept confidential on your Outlook calendar. This can be particularly useful in professional settings where sensitive information is often discussed and needs to remain within specific confines. With this newfound knowledge, you can go ahead and apply these privacy settings to any other events you may want to safeguard. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Until next time, take care and stay organized.